How's it going, everybody? Titan Pressure Washing here. Hey, we're doing a 2,800 square foot roof today. And as you can see, it's pretty gnarly. It's almost jet black. One of the things we do is we come through and we get all the edges from the bottom first. As you can see, we can do all the edges first, and that ensures that the eye appeal of the roof, it's eye-catching from the bottom to the top. And that's usually how you want to do your work, is from the bottom to the top. Here at Titan, we actually do walk roofs, and this is one of the good roofs that we can walk. There are a couple of locations over there that do have broken tiles. It's only two broken tiles on this roof. So this roof's fairly new. It's about 8-year-old roof. And this has not been done in about 5 years. And so a little bit of a difference. I'm gonna show you guys. So this is what we're talking about. This is a clean side. I've got a couple touch-up spots to do. Very minimal. So this section, the front, and this section, this whole side here, took me approximately 30 minutes. I would say the front probably took me about 5 or 6 minutes to do on this section, and then 5 or 6 minutes here. So we've been here for about 2.5 hours. And you can see from the edge up is clean. And that's what's key when you do this job. You want to make sure that you give the clients exactly what they're paying for. And this is what we do. I know it's loud. Got the truck down here. And then any little areas, like even this right here, I'm gonna come back and reshoot that. Even though that's almost minuscule and most people wouldn't really care, I'm gonna come back and hit it. We don't like to leave any mold or mildew on the roof. That's why we give our roof work a guarantee for some clients, depending on the age of the roof. But yeah, that's some of the work. This is what we do. I know a lot of people like to see soft washing videos to watch the roof flash over. See, she's got a little broken tile here, and what we'll do is we'll just come up here. I'll come back and take a photo of that, and then she can note that to her roofing company. If she doesn't have one, we'll appoint one for her. We work with several roofing companies and another one. And then they'll just come back up here and re-glue those tiles or replace them if need be. So anyway, I already did the screen enclosure. I got my guy down below. That's just kind of what I'm doing right now. Just walking the peak here of the roof. Just being careful. And then, so yeah, got the screen enclosure done. And he's gonna work on the patio. Doesn't need too much surface cleaning. It's got a little bit of peeling paint. We don't want to remove too much. The homeowner is aware of that. And then, like for instance, most companies, when they come out, I'm not hating on anybody, but I'm saying most companies, they do what you could see and that'd be it. But here at Titan, we go the extra mile. We make sure all these caps are done the right way. And we also see this crack that's running here. You don't want to step on that tile. That'll be noted in our invoice as well. But we get everything. We don't leave anything behind.
New pressure washing companies are popping up everywhere. Don't hire amateurs to pressure wash your home or business. To look the best, hire the best. With over 12 years of experience, Titan Pressure Washing of Stuart, Florida specializes in pressure washing, soft washing, and roof, concrete, and paver sealing services for both commercial and residential customers. Veteran owned and operated and fully insured. Our unique deep clean restores the natural color of your roof while avoiding damage caused by incorrect pressure, chemicals, and equipment. We go the extra step to also protect your landscaping. Have your property clean with professional commercial grade equipment and hot wash for deeper, longer results. Our sealing products are all green and can save homeowners thousands of dollars in just a few years. We clean and seal roofs, driveways, building exteriors, pool decks, sidewalks, parking lots, docks, decks, patios, and more. Call now for a free estimate, 772-245-0402, or visit TitanPW.com. Experience the Titan difference today.
Why don't we call Titan Pressure Washing? They're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. For Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Mama never seen a patio look so clean. We call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan
Pressure washing, Stuart, Florida.